let's take a look at the bronchial tree. This is the trachea. At its inferior end, it splits into two primary bronchi. The left primary bronchus supplies the left lung. Because the left lung has two lobes, a superior lobe and an inferior lobe, you can see that there are two secondary bronchi, a superior and inferior secondary bronchi, also known as lobar bronchi. The right lung has three lobes, so the primary bronchus of the right lung splits into a superior, middle, and inferior secondary bronchi, or lobar bronchi.